What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be finding a fort.
If he watches your video.
I know, but it's fine. He won't even notice. But cause we're not gonna show him where our fort is. We're just gonna show them what our fort's gonna look like.
So the plan is that we were gonna empty this out of this, since it's all like spider webs and spiders in there.
Yeah, so that's why we're gonna clean it out.
We call it the
Tree fort.
Yeah, the tree fort. I keep forgetting the name for some reason. I don't know
She
why.
can't read very well, but it's fine. Jeez. I'm allergic to Mother Nature. No, I'm joking.
I'm not allergic to anything so far
How do you know that?
because I almost have been around everything and I'm not allergic.
Pew. Skeeter. I am allergic to Mrs. Skeeter.
Well, let's go get some sticks.
Yeah. One.
Perfect.
We're putting all our sticks over
Should
there.
this be perfect to just layer back on?
Probably.
Feel it. How smooth it is.
It's not that smooth.
Can you go on this side? Let's do this side.
Yeah.
Cause that.
So, okay. That's where we're gonna.
We need longer sticks like this.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Like this.
Sorry.
Not like this.
Sorry.
This.
Sorry. Oh, over there. So we're putting our sticks right over there. 2, 3.
We gotta hurry and put these back in there for it just because I think someone's gonna look out the window. Come on.
Okay. Oh, shoot, I missed it. Oh, I missed it again. I keep on missing it. Oh, I got it. Let's go. 4, 5. What?
You know when it doesn't move.
Why?
There's like something moving and it's white.
Can I go?
This and I can see its tail.
Let me go see.
No, actually in the tree. Like down below. Right in that corner. I'm not gonna go back there. Maybe you can follow it. You will definitely see a white thing. I see a white
The only white animal that has a tail that I know is a sheep. Well, where is it?
Just come down right here.
Okay, now I'm getting scared. I'm gonna go the other way. I didn't see it, but I was still scared because I'm a scaredy cat.
I see something white when I walk up. I'm not joking. Come on. Come on.
No, Dally, I'm not going up there. No, thank you, Mom. What about we just go inside? We were outside for a very long time before this video was even started. We've been out here for like 2 hours. I don't know. I don't check my watch time very often. What were those? flies, I guess. Okay. Okay.
Mom, I can't have a jacket.
Your phone, you're not playing on it.
Mom, I can't.
Put a hoodie on.
She only has a jacket.
Yellow. Chicken wing.
I don't want to eat it.
Chicken wing. Hot dog and bologna. Chicken macaroni.
Skeeter, you better
Skeeter's
not
a
bite my
piece of
finger like that.
macaroni.
The last time I was here, guess what? I was doing this and you know Skeeter.
Chicken wing. Tastes like chicken. Okay. Beep, beep. I'm a sheep.
Come on, we gotta go for Leyland to build our fort. Remember where the first time that we found it at? We gotta go.
Hi. I'm joking. I'm not a fan. I just see people do it all the time. What? Yeah, because she's a beep, beep. I'm a sheep.
You call me Lincoln?
No.
Wait, now I know where we should have it. I'm gonna go where we
Okay, we're gonna teleport there. 3, 2, 1. Oh, didn't work. Whoa! Whoa, that felt weird. But where's Big Chungus? Hi, Big Chungus. Guys, turn your phones all the way down because this is loud. Please like the video first and subscribe with notification bell so you get notified when we post an amazing video for you guys. They only like Dolly, not me. Beep, beep, I'm bleeding.
Let's get out of here.
Hi, Wayland. Hi, Way Way. Hi, Way Way. Hi, Way Way. Hi, Way Way.
Keep getting mad at us that we're not going to go pet them.
Okay, let's go teleport.
Lincoln, I know where we should go.
Okay, let's teleport. 3, 2, 1. We just found an ant pile, and I accidentally stepped in it. So we threw a rock at it, but we need to run.
I don't think ants can go this high. Already, unless there was an ant pile right
Beep,
there.
beep. I'm about to bleed again. And should we show them?
What?
Sure. Guys, if you don't want to see something disgusting, then click off the video. We found this at a pond.
Not you. I did.
You sure?
Me and Sharon. Ricky did.
I want to break its leg.
No, this was a different deer. My dad killed the deer and he gave all the meat to Lily. You're bad at it.
Excuse me? Excuse me? What did you just call me? What did you just call me, ma'am? What did you just call me?
You're the worst friend ever.
OMG. Comment hashtag hate on Dally. If you hate her. Ow. Fine, if you don't want to be in this video, fine. I guess I'll be famous myself then. Already 25 subscribers, baby. Let's try to get 100, and once we get 100, I will celebrate a whole music video with you guys. If you guys subscribe and we get to 100 subscribers. What?
We actually can use in that video.
No.
And then we can use, and then we could do like we could have Shannon and Mary. We could do like a YouTube dance thing, and I can play the music on my phone.
Heck no. Bye. Bye, Allie. I'm going. You don't even care? Yeah. What? I don't care. Bye. I got a pop tire. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, that's it for today's video.
Wait, no, not it. Please, I want to see her reaction when she gets in the water.
It's gonna be cold. Wait, really?
It's freezing cold.
There's poo in there. No, I'm joking. It's just dirt.
That's a reason. Why this puppy is cute?
Yeah. Hi,
I love Draco.
Draco.
Look at Draco.
No, Draco. Ah!
I'm gonna kill you. Yeah. Draco.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Wait, Draco.
Little star.
Cute. No, how about this?
Go, Draco.
Little puppy. You are so cute. I will kiss you in the forehead.
I would do that.
I will kill you.
Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. Let Draco say goodbye.